everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change the color in Eclipse from this whitish color to the black theme. So we're gonna go to Windows Preferences, and in here under Appearances we are gonna select the dark theme. Apply and close. And now we have to restart in order to have the all the changes applied. I will simply close this and then restart Eclipse, and hopefully it's gonna look nice and lovely in the dark themed with the keywords and all those Java identifiers and all that makes Java a bit more emphasized and all that. So if I'm gonna come out of this, there I have it. There we have it. It's lovely. So I think it looks quite good compared to the white one. But anyway, so this is how you change the theme from the original light one to the dark theme in Eclipse.